is my first time seeing Yav's bones. That's interesting. We got Waterfall, Giant. It's what? Yeah, one random curse. Would I be able to remove the curse easily? It'd be 1, 2, 5 combats before a shop. 4 combats before a shop. But do I even like either path? Ooh. Well, that's a hell of a path right there. What about this one? I'm really considering these bones. Random rare could be like terrible, right? Like random rare could be random rare could be new conflagration, but this does nothing now. That's not great. Giant rock's funny. Actually, random rare is fine. That's good, but not right now. This is meh. This is meh. This is meh. But this means I beat Waterfall Giant. I'm liking this random rare actually. Okay, so let's. All right. This is gonna be well. Thank you, Niao. First and foremost, thank you very much, Niao. I might just do that path anyways. I get a shop after I have about like 100. I could also go this way for more combats if I'm not feeling strong enough for all 3 elites. Or no, because this node's a good one to go to. I can go this way afterwards because I want to combat max now that I have feed. Right. Feed from whale is pretty good. Not messing with that path. No, thank you. All right, let me just go up the middle. Oops, I wanted to go to the map again. I'm gonna go up the middle and see what happens. Take 3. Hopefully I draw feed. I don't. That means back guys are buffing. Ugh, this is a pretty... I'm just gonna block out this turn. Oh yeah. If I pull up my OBS, the game audio goes away. Anyways. Take a lot of damage here because my draw order has not been great. But now it's just one toad pull now, so I think I should be fine. Yeah. I have the pull next turn. I like the bloodletting to help me get off feed. And I'll be healing the HP. The goal is to heal the HP off every combat. So I'll take it. Way too early for Burning Pact. I'm not trying to take Burning Pact now. Okay. I am weakened. Uh, 15's a lot there, pal. Ow! But I think I kill this turn. Ooh, I don't. But I have strike feed in the draw pile? Yeah. I'll take a pommel strike. That helps. Yeah, pommel strike helps. Dude, and with the power of feed, I've only netted minus 2 HP after 2 floors that I feel like I've been getting my butt kicked in. Definitely take one here because you're dead to strike feed. $9, $15, $25 does not kill back guy. It just kill front guy. See what happens. Because I could draw Bloodletting and then I have lethal. I don't. I could draw Bloodletting. Cool. You know, this Perfected Strike's not terrible. I'm just not going to be able to upgrade it for a while, unless I go this way. But I want to upgrade the feed. Like, that's the thing. That's the thing about all this, is I want to upgrade feed so I can feed more, so I can have a crap ton of max HP. Exhum's not in this game, right? No, it's not. Zach, you know the answer to that question. I do need to make a choice here, though. I'm not liking Body Slam. I'm not liking Sword Boomerang. If I am taking anything, it is this Perfected Strike right now. Excuse me. Wow. And that doesn't really feel great. It's a lot of question marks if I go that way. I think I do take this Perfected Strike. Because it's 6, 16, 7, or 18. It's 20. It's 2 mana 20. That's good. Oh, not this champion. I unfortunately don't have 30 damage on him. I'm gonna block some of this. I'm probably resting at that campfire, to be honest. Dash defend? What's in the draw pile? Nothing great. Yeah. I always draw feed next turn. Good. Gambler's Brew's good. Another Perfected Strike? Question mark? Yeah, I lost a lot of damage this floor. Which means I'm probably resting here, which is okay. Actually, but I'd like to upgrade the Perfected Strikes before getting to the boss. I'll take another one. We'll see what happens. Pearly Clam Clam. Ooh. I need like a good block. That kind of blows. Do I gamble here? I kind of want to. I definitely want to gamble here. Ow. 1 HP, you're dead. And I was at 53 last floor. Ugh. I'm taking a lot of damage. I like, where are the block cards, game? Is Stomp? How am I feeling about Stomp right now? Not feeling it. Not feeling it. All right, let's buy a potion and let's buy a block card. None of these say block. That's really unfortunate. Okay, I can work with this. Because now I just need to draw my other Perfected Strike and the front guy's dead. Okay. now back high swinging for 9. And then the goal is to kill you next on this upcoming deck cycle right here, but I'm taking a crap ton of damage. Ow! Draw Perfected Strike and feed next turn, or else I'm in trouble. Whoop. Nice. I think this is my first time taking Hellraiser. What's my relic? That's a good relic. That's a good relic. How many elites can I take on? How many elites can I take on? I think I just get owned by Skulking Colony right now. I think I need to go this way and rest. Because if I go this way, I'm just losing to this elite. I rest here, and I'm at like maybe 45 HP, and then I get owned by the 2 elites afterwards. Yeah. Uh-oh. Okay. These Perfected Strikes are like kind of terrible now. Anyways. Yeah, I lose to Skulking Colony. Don't remind me. Oh, Zach, you're playing horribly now. All right. Play the Hellraiser. Play the Hellraiser. Cool. I can block now. Hellraiser with feed is kind of an anti-synergy. Oh, you're... Ooh, get owned. Get owned. Cool. I'm taking a lot of damage. This Hellraiser's really fun, though. Ooh, get him. Ooh, get him. I'm taking a lot of damage again. I got a speed pot this turn. No, I don't. Ow. Okay. Shrug it off. Thank you. I need block. Okay. So Hellraiser and feed is looking to be a bit of an anti-synergy right now. That's no fun. Yeah, I'm down to 1. Ooh, you're dead, bro. You're dead. This will be good for Waterfall Giant. The juggling's interesting with this Hellraiser. Innate, gross. Okay, the recording looks fine. Am I making it out of Act 1? I'm not powerful enough for this elite. Okay, so what am I trying to... So what this deck was trying to do is be silly, and it's not working. .98 max HP is a lot, though. Let's get feed out of the deck cycle early so that I can like comfortably do this fight. And the goal is to have you just be vulnerable the entire time. Ooh! Because my block outlet, like, blows. Oh, you're not attacking this turn. I don't know your attack pattern. Ooh, get him! Get him! Ooh, get him! Ooh, get him! Ooh, get him! Ow! Ow! Uh-oh. I need a good deck cycle, or else I just die. GG, Waterfall Giant. Yeah. So I was taking a lot of damage this act. Yeah, okay. Boondock's combats got to me, and then I didn't have enough HP for Waterfall Giant. That's okay. Feed from Meow is fun.